Hi, Complex fans, and welcome back to the bench. This old Kyle Worth alto that I'm working on is such a gem of an instrument. Kyle Worth builds fantastic instruments. They have their own ideas, which work very, very well on how to build a saxophone. And they also have a unique sound, which in this day of homogeny is really a good thing. This little alto here has what is called fileable rolled tone holes. Let's get to it. This is typically what a rolled tone hole looks like. You see the surface is convex, and it's actually a pretty wide area that the technician has to seal the pad with. They're actually pretty nice things. Okay, you see this one also. It's got this rounded edge here, and the edge itself is pretty wide. But let's come down further on the instrument and look at, this is the C tone hole, and you see this is actually flat. Look, and you can see this is flat also. Let's zoom in on a couple of these tone holes and see if we can figure out what's going on. Look, there is a seam here. And as you come further down the instrument, you see another seam here. The most common manufacturing method, creating the roll of the rolled tone hole, happened while the tone holes were being pulled out of the body of the instrument. The tool goes in, the tool expands, and then pulls the tone hole out. And then an additional manufacturing process curled the edge over so you had a nice surface, sort of like this. Consider this the inside of the tone hole. And then this is the curl that was created by the extra manufacturing process. Because this style of tone hole is one piece of metal, if the tone hole needs to be leveled, that's a real problem. You take your tone hole leveling file and down, and in essence, you're actually snipping it off. So all you have left is no more roll on your rolled tone hole. Kyle Worth did such a clever job of solving this problem. So imagine this is a tone hole. Remember, this is a tone hole. Also, the inside of the tone hole, one piece of metal, it curves over. Tone hole, here we've got just a straight pulled tone hole. What Kyle Worth did was they took an extra piece of thick wire and they soldered it on top of the tone hole. So now this tone hole can be leveled without the danger of getting the curl snipped off. Super clever. Well done, Kyle Worth. If you like this kind of content, please follow, comment, share. You'll see more of it like this, and you'll also help me out. Thank you very much for watching.